What's up, Fortis? She got her shit hooked up too.
The most important part, even at home, we can depend on you. So number one is attendance. Number two is attitude. And you say, well, what do you mean by attitude? I'll tell you what I hear about an attitude. There's a lot of people out there that have a stinking thinking attitude. They need to check up with it. Do I need to say that again? There's a lot of people out there that have a stinking thinking attitude. They need to check up with and act up. But we've changed that. You know what it is? They need to check up from the heart up. You know why? Because people will know you are true or you're a fake. Graduates, tonight I just want to tell you right now that you're not a fake. You are true. And for that I want to applaud you. Give yourself a hand there. Come on.
They'd be more prepared to be decorated here at graduation. So for that reason, we started award ceremonies that every 6 weeks, a student could earn a certificate making Dean's List, President's List, or honor rolls with high grade averages. And if they started that trend and wanted to keep that trend, you'd see them here decorated today. I'm proud of that ability, and I'm proud that we continue to serve that, and it has become something students strive for on our campus. At this time, I would like to invite any graduates that during your enrollment earned a Dean's List or a President's List or honor roll distinction to please rise. Thank you. I encourage you to take that mental image of the number of students that were able to stand. That says something for our campus, that says something for our students, and that says something for our educators and our instructors, so thank you. I also would like to share with you at this time our students who have achieved academic excellence and are graduating with honors in the highest distinction in their program. Students you might see today are wearing white and or gold cords, representing the highest levels of academic achievement in this graduating class. A white cord signifies a placement on the Dean's List. This is awarded to students who earned a cumulative GPA between 3.5 and 3.74. So you know, you would not be able to earn anything less than a B- your entire enrollment to get this honor. At this time, all of our students who have earned a white cord and are on stage, please stand, and those seated, please join us on stage for recognition. Please stay standing so we can take our picture.
I pouted at every grade that wasn't 100%. Yes, even if it was off by 1%. I emailed professors to ask an explanation and sometimes resubmitted work to get a better grade. I put my all into everything I did. That's how I ended up with a 3.96 GPA. I didn't do the minimum, I did the most. And that focus and determination set me up for everything that came next. Whenever I got really homesick, I found any excuse to go back home to Baton Rouge and be around my friends. From May to November, I made it a point to go home at least once a month because sometimes strength is remembering who you are and who's in your corner. Then in October, during clinicals, life threw me a serious curveball. I was in an accident with an 18-wheeler right in the middle of the externship. But I was not about to let that stop me. I had my heat pad, a wheelchair, courtesy of my externship mentor, and determination like no other. I was rolling around in a wheelchair while finishing clinical. Yeah, that was me. That accident could have changed everything, but God had other plans. It reminded me that when life gives you unexpected challenges, perseverance, faith, and determination are what carry you through. As it says in Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 and 6, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. That's what this journey has been, stepping forward every day.
Not even close. From the very beginning, starting with admissions, there was obstacles in place in my life. Real obstacles. The kind that don't show up on a transcript. The kind that make you question whether college is even an option, let alone finishing. Getting enrolled wasn't easy. Getting to school wasn't even easy. And believing I could do well here at Fortis, it took time. But what changed everything was the support that I received here. From the instructors that refused to let me do the minimum, and the staff that treated me like more than a number. To the dean and president that led with accessibility and belief, Fortis College helped me realize something powerful, that belief in self can change outcomes. I want to be real clear about something. Support didn't just come from the classroom, it came from everywhere here. Financial aid and admission staff that still walk me through processes that I don't understand today. Even the vending machine folks. Yeah. Offer me a free snack every now and then. And, a good smile. That kept me going on some of the days where I might want to quit. That kind of environment taught me something. It taught me that confidence, don't have to be loud. It's an earned kind of confidence. The kind of confidence that grows every time you don't quit. Perseverance became a muscle here. And trust me, it got exercised. Today, I find myself using tools that I learned at Fortis every day. How to communicate clearly, accepting feedback without taking it personal, how to push through discomfort, and how to keep showing up even when the progress seems like it's invisible.
Jasmine Gray, medical assistant. Gavin Murray, HVAC. Kieran DeBoe, dental assistant. Diamond Price, nursing. Jacqueline Lark, medical assistant. Patricia Detrell, medical assistant. Brianna Story, dental assistant. Linda Selena Rodriguez, dental assistant. Detrell Howard.
Go Trail!
Zakina Abdul Haq, nursing.
Okay, Papa.
Sean Adams, HVAC. Tessa Alexander, nursing. Rachel Anderson, medical assistant. Beyonce Aquino, dental assistant. For Davion Young, HVAC. At this time, all of our graduates, please stand.
You gotta touch your hat.
If I could have it silent, please. At this time, we will do the honors of turning our tassels. The turning of the tassels recognizes the hard work and dedication each and every one of you has put into your studies and earning your diploma. As we prepare to turn your tassels, I hope that you do so in reflection of the memories you've had on campus, the future that is bright for you, and that you take the lessons of accomplishment, endurance, and pride with you everywhere you go. You have the skills to tackle any challenge that lies ahead, and we recognize this as the end of one phase, but just the beginning of another. Please join in this milestone and unity of the accomplishment of this graduating class as you turn your tassels from the right to the left. If your graduates will please get seated, we will do our closing remarks. So graduates on stage, please be seated, and those here, please be seated in the pews.